What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys is another one on Terra Classic, which has dipped a little bit in the last 24 hours. As you can see here, it has dropped 15% in the last 24 hours, which is quite of a major drop. So we're going to be looking at, is it time to buy the crypto? Should you wait for it to drop further? Should you sell it? Or, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at its next target. And as you guys can see on the 7 days chart, it's been pumping quite a bit, especially on the weekly chart. We can see it's been pumping quite a bit over the last 3-4 weeks. So is it going to pump back up in value, or is it going to keep dropping in value? We're going to look at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, how far Luna or Terra Classic can go. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So at the moment, as you can see guys, we are trading in the dark green zone. We have it dropped just about from the top tier level into the dark green zone, which is not a good sign. So it's likely that we are going to keep dropping in value, but we'll get into that very shortly. Let's go into the Coinbase website. We can see the market has been up just about 1% in the last 24 hours, and in the last hour itself, Luna Terra Classic has dropped nearly 3% in value. Over the last day, 15%. Over the week, it is up 32%, and over the month, it is a massive 293% up, guys, which is absolutely insane. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone down by a massive 33%, which is a huge percentage decrease in the last 24 hours, making it just about $1 billion, guys, meaning a huge amount of money has not been traded compared to the couple of days before that. And we can also see here in the Coinbase website that this doesn't have the data on how many buyers and sellers, but I'm pretty sure a lot of people are buying the dips at the moment that is dipping. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to get out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So before I get into that, we've also got the purple line running across the chart here at the top, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Luna Classic or Terra Classic at this value here. However, it is trading just below that, meaning it's not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 15-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the 30-minute, hourly, and potentially daily chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 15-minute chart, what can we see here? Both the blue line and the orange line are slanting towards the negative direction. I know it may look like it is going in a straight line, but guys, if you look very closely or zoom out a little bit, we can see it slanting towards the negative direction. So it's not looking too steep, it is just about slanting towards the negative direction, meaning more losses are expected over the coming hours. However, it is going to be very minimal, guys. It's not going to be a major drop or anything like that. It is going to be minimal drops in value over the next 6-7 hours. Moving on to the 30-minute chart, next couple of hours again, but this is over the next 12 to 14 hours towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow. Is looking a little bit more clear this time. You can see both the blue line and the orange line clearly going towards the negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. Again, it is going to be minimal drops. It's not going to be major drops in value, so do expect it to be trading at a slightly lower value than what it's worth at the moment towards the end of the day today. Now moving on to the big boy hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect? So I'm talking about towards the end of this week, we should again, guys, expect more drops in value. We do have the blue line and the orange line heading towards the negative direction, looking quite bearish, and again, they're not looking too steep. They are just about slanting towards the positive direction, meaning once again minimal drops in value are expected over the coming days. But again, that does not mean we're going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7 days. Of course not. We are going to have days when it's green, days when it's red, but the overall outcome is again in the negative side, so do expect it to be trading at a lower value than what it's worth at the moment. So we are not going to go onto the daily chart. It's not, you know, there's no point doing that because of the major drops that's taken place with Luna over the last couple of months. There's no point doing that, so we are going to stick to the hourly chart. So guys, when is the next Terra Classic pump is one of the most common questions I have been asked, because it's been very volatile over the last couple of weeks. As you can see, major peaks in value. All I'm going to say is, even if it does pump up in value, is very likely it's going to drop back down. And I've been saying this since this crashed, guys. I haven't invested any more money into Terra Classic, and I won't be. I don't believe in the project for the long term. I've given up on Terra Classic, but you guys, you know, have asked me for updates on this crypto on a regular basis, so that's why I've been making them. But yes, I did invest into Terra Classic a couple of months ago, and I'm just holding on to what I've got at the moment. I'm not investing more, or I won't be, you know, interested into the crypto, interested as in investing into it. But of course I will make price predictions like you guys are requested for on a regular basis. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, guys, we have dropped from the top tier level into the blue zone, and I'm expecting us to drop into the dark green zone over the next 24 to 48 hours and make our way down to the green zone here towards the end of this week. However, in between that time, there is a chance we may pump back up into the top tier level, and then not straight away, but a couple of hours we'll stay there and then drop back down into the green zone. It is going to be volatile. It's going to be quite of a bumpy ride over the next couple of days and weeks as well, when it comes to not just Terra Classic but the whole crypto market in general. It has been very volatile for the past couple of months, and is likely to carry on that way as well. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Terra Classic, guys. I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around this crypto. Let me know what your expectations are. Not something like it's going to hit the dollar mark, because that is, well, I'm not going to say impossible, but yeah, it's near to impossible for it to hit the dollar mark anytime soon. It's got a long way to go for that. Even the 1 cent target, guys, for it to hit that target is going to have to go for a major price increase, which I'm not expecting from Terra Classic anytime soon. So more or less, we are likely to fluctuate at the current price range for the next couple of months, even though it is going to be quite volatile. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Sorry, just a quick one on Terra Classic like you guys have requested for. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. If you guys have any other cryptocurrency suggestions that you guys want me to cover on this channel, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to cover that for you guys. And yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all that stuff, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.